In this video, I will explore Azure dashboards. Dashboard is a way to visualize the data in Azure DevOps. We can create different charts, different widgets to visualize our data, to analyze and see the result of our data in dashboards. To create a dashboard, first we need to click on dashboard. We can click on add a widget, or we can click on create. Here at the add widget, we have different types of dashboards. For example, assigned to me. Here it will show all the work items that's assigned to the user that's signed in. Click. It shows 3 items or 3 tasks are assigned to me at this moment. Also, build history. If we have a build pipeline, we can show the result of that here. Click it. Click here on the setting. Type the title for the for the widget and select the build pipeline. Now I don't have a build pipeline. Let's create a pipeline first, and then we will see the result here. Click here, done. I'm going to create a quickly create a pipeline. Click create. This is my pipeline. Okay, I will wait for the result to be finished. I quickly created a pipeline to see the result in the Azure dashboard. Come to the dashboard, click edit, and here at the setting we give a title for our widget, and here at the pipeline we select our pipeline that we have created. Select that, save, done editing. Here shows the result of our pipeline. If the pipeline fails, or if the pipeline is cancelled, the result of that will be displayed as a chart here. Click edit. We can add burn down. What are the activities that are completed, or what are the activities needs to be completed? Here we have different types of chart. We have cycle time, we have cumulative flow diagram, deployment status. If we have pipelines, release pipeline, we can see the result of that here. The other important part here is the query result, or query tile. We can create different queries in the Azure boards, and make dashboard based on those queries. First, let's create queries. I click on done editing. To create the queries, we come to the click on boards and queries. We don't have any query yet. Click on new query. We can create maximize, or we can customize our queries. For example, I want all work items to be displayed here. Any work item, click run. We have this much work items in our project. Click save, give a name. Okay, the important thing here is we need to select shared query. If we don't select shared query, if we by default my query is selected, if we save it, we will not be able to use it to make dashboard. To be able to use it with the other services, we need to save our query as a shared queries. Select OK. Okay, now we want to use this query in the dashboard, and create a dashboard on that. Click on edit. Click on query tile, add. Okay, click on settings, give a name for your query, and here we select our query. Under shared query, select that. We have all work items. save, it shows we have total 7 work items. Now let's go back to boards. Let's create another query, new query. Here at the work item type, this time I want to see the result of for example state of each work item. Here we have different steps, states. I want to see to do items. Run query, it should result here. If you want to save, click on save, give a name, to do list, and select the query as a shared queries. Okay, we can go to review and dashboard. We can create dashboard uh, over there, or we can directly create here at the query. Here we have charts. We can create chart from here and display it and at the dashboard. Click on new chart, give it a name, select the query that we have. We have state. The name of the query was state. We can customize our charts and save. It shows our query. If we want to display this query, this chart at the dashboard, to do that, here we click on the double dots, add to dashboard. When you click add to dashboard, select the dashboard. Here if we have different dashboards, it will display it here. I want to select this dashboard, which is overview dashboard. Click OK. Now if I come to the overview and dashboard, it shows the work item here. Okay, edit. Here we have different other options we can use. For example, a sprint overview. Or if we have different sprints or different period of times for the project, we can display the work items for each sprint. We can display the work items for each team members. Test result, if we have test result here, test plan, we can display the graph or the chart of that in our dashboard. This was the way that we can create dashboard in Azure DevOps.